Hello, my name is Katerina Novak, and today I'm at the sales department of a large forex broker, Larson&Holz. I'm interviewing the head of the development department, Peter Winzak. Hello, dear Mr. Winzak. Today our topic is a peculiar financial instrument, cryptocurrencies. This product has become incredibly popular, and many people believe that very soon all the payments will be processed in virtual funds and the conventional money will become history. Peter, how is Larson&Holz related to cryptocurrencies?
First of all, Larson&Holz is a large financial broker that allows our users to trade different assets. For some time I have been receiving numerous questions from our clients if we could include Bitcoin, Litecoin and Ethereum into our list of trading instruments, or if they could open an account to transfer funds into cryptocurrency. Until recently I had to say no. But now we are launching a new project that would allow our clients to make transfer with virtual funds and to use these funds as an investment instrument.
That's fascinating. Can you tell us more about that?
To put it simply, we are going to implement the existing brokerage business model in crypto environment. It means that we are going to create a new branch where all the operations can be processed in cryptocurrencies. This is why we are launching an ICO.
What is your ICO for?
We want to reach several goals. The first aim is to attract an additional financial resources to create and advertise the crypto version of our forex broker. Secondly, we want to draw the attention of blockchain community to our project. The third one is to find potential clients and partners among cryptocurrency users.
What are you going to attract your future investors with?
I'm certain that our product will be of interest to many potential investors. The main advantage of our ICO is that it's based on a real business that has been proving its effectiveness for years. Larson&Holz is not just a website, it's a real company. We have been on the market since 2004. There are numerous partnership offices around the globe. More than 100 of our top quality specialists speaking 10 different languages work with us in different countries of Europe, Asia, Latin America. So, all we need is the slight adjustment of existing business model and promotion in crypto environment. In the next place, the future holders of our tokens will already earn on payback during the ICO stage before the tokens go up in price on the market. This is called early bird bonus. Thirdly, we can guarantee that our tokens will bring at least 20% profit during the first year. So, there are almost no risks for our investors.
And what is a cashback token?
It's our secret weapon, and it's called Cashback Program. Our Chief Technical Officer on the ICO, Antonis Lapas, will share this secret with you.
Thank you. Hello, Antonis. Can you tell us more about the cashback program?
Hello. Well, normally when we accept monetary payments from our clients, about 90% of it comes via our banks. In most of the cases it is convenient, however there are plenty of complications and limitations to what the clients can do. For example, clients in India. At the same time, card transactions typically have a high commission fee, around 5 to 6%. Now, the transition to the cryptocurrency as a mean of payment could help us save this 5%, which could instantly be considered the project's income.
This instant income, are you going to transfer it to your investors?
Exactly. So every month, 5% of the income and payments from our clients would actually be distributed amongst our investors. And this is what we call the cashback program. It's actually an automated process and it is incorporated into the design of the smart contract itself.
What is the estimated amount of these payments?
Well, we're actually talking about a quite large amount of money. So currently the broker account receives about $3 million from our clients per month. Now, according to our marketers, once we transition to the cryptocurrency as a mean of payment, this would help us to triple our clientele base and bring us closer to about $9 to $10 million per month. Now, once the project actually reaches its full capacity, then the payments within the cashback program should yield approximately $6 million per annum.
I see. Also, as far as I know, the first comers will have some exclusive bonuses. What is an early bird bonus?
So basically, the investors of the pre-ICO stage would be able to purchase the tokens for the lowest price possible. Then every week after that, the price of a token would rise by 5, 10, 15 and 21% from the initial price.
Well, normally these profits either go to the ICO owners or to the project itself. What are you going to do with these additional profits?
Well, we have actually chosen a completely different path. So our markup would actually be divided amongst our investors. So after the first week, once the prices go up by 5%, this would be divided by the investors of the pre-ICO stage. The following week, once the prices go up by 10%, then these 10% would then be divided by the investors of the pre-ICO stage and the ones of the first week, and so on.
I see. Your colleague Peter has mentioned that your company is so confident about the success of the project that you're going to provide some sort of insurance for your tokens. Is it correct?
Well, that's absolutely right. So this is what we call the token rate insurance system. And it basically states that the minimum profitability that our investors would get from this is at 20%. Now, it's actually given this way that Larson&Holz broker registers a personal area and a real trading account for each investor.
What will investors do with these accounts?
So, say a year later, after the LH coin goes to market, it has not reached this 20% profitability, then the shortfall would actually be accrued by the broker to the real trading accounts for each investor as a bonus, of course according to the standard broker terms.
I see. Well, thank you for your thorough explanations. Truly, your ICO project is a real revolution.
Thank you. Well, we did our best to make it as convenient and compelling for our investors as possible.
Hello again. Your colleague was very informative. And could you tell us how would the ICO proceed?
Okay, we have divided it into 3 steps: pre-ICO, ICO and post-ICO. Each of them will take 1 month.
How many tokens are you going to distribute during these 3 steps?
We allocate 20 million tokens for the pre-ICO, then 50 million for ICO itself. These are the tokens that will be sold to the project investors directly. But there is another type of tokens that is be used as the bounty program and as a reward fund for our employees. But all these types of tokens and all tokens are mixed together. Moreover, all the tokens is left in the end of the ICO shall be destroyed at the last day of crowd sale. This is how we will protect our tokens from inflation.
And how much do you expect to raise during the crowd sale?
We have set 4 goals. The first one is called the soft cap, and we are planning to attract more than $1 million. In case we do not get this amount, we will return the money to the investors immediately and close the project as not attractive. But I'm sure it's not the case. The goal number 2 is to raise more than $5 million, and we have called it the normal cap. And then we will follow our roadmap for about a year. Our third goal is to attract more than $10 million, and it's called the optimal cap. These funds will allow us to reduce the launch period significantly and to increase promotion budget in order to win the market. And the last, but not the least, the ultimate aim is $50 million. If the investment amounts to 50 million, we will stop the sale of tokens, because this amount covers all possible marketing expenses and allow us to bring our broker to the top 5 in the shortest period. We are not interested to attract more funds that we can handle.
Well, thank you for your detailed reply.
You're welcome.